Welcome to Yoganand Tech Talk. Today, I'm going to tell you in case your phone is stuck during your iOS upgrade to the latest version of the software, how do we recover? Like if when you are updating your iOS software for your iPhone using the iTunes, sometimes it goes into a state that the phone stuck and you cannot do anything. So I'm going to tell you how to do that using recovery software. So we have to download one of the recovery software and then we have to update the phone. That is only the way. There are few other ways that you can press the up button, down button, and press and hold the restart button. But sometimes it doesn't work. So this is the easiest way. If your phone stuck, you can follow. You open this website, the link is in the description. You select your first thing, you have to select phone and then your model number. You have to choose the correct model number. Once you choose the model number, then you have to select the version of the software. So you can select the recent version or the latest version. Select the version, and once you selected the version, you have to download the restore file. So just click on a download link that will download it to your computer. Once you download this software, then you will have to put your phone into the reset mode. So I will tell you how to do that. See, this is the file that you already have in a computer. The next thing, hold your phone, press the up button, down button, then press and hold the power button on the right hand side. So you have to wait until that goes to the restore mode. You will then see a Apple icon on that. So once you see the Apple icon, connect to your phone. Once you connected the phone to your computer, open the iTunes in your computer. iTunes will then ask you to update or restore. Don't update it, just cancel it and select the shift button from the keyboard and select the restore from the iTunes. And then you select the file that you have already downloaded and then just click on restore. So this is going to update your phone, but this will update it to completely factory defaults. So means your phone is going to be like a brand new phone. If you want to retrieve your data after you update this, then you will have to follow a procedure, connect it back to iTunes, and then you restore the data. So this is now updating software into the phone. Okay, software is updated and your phone is back to normal. So that is going to restart your phone. Once your phone is restart, that is going to go as a brand new phone. From the factory defaults, you will continue use it as a brand new phone, or you can retrieve the data from your iCloud by using your iCloud username and password. Or there is another way is like you connect it back to iTunes and then you can recover your data.